How to insert arrow in MS Word. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how you can insert arrows in MS Word. Now here I'll be showing you on my browser, so I won't be able to show you, but I'll just guide you on how you can do it on the MS Word application itself. Now simply open up MS Word application and you'll get an interface like this. Now I'm on my browser, but you'll get a similar interface. What you want to do is here on your home, select on this option here. What you want to do is remove this, delete this, and then type in MS. And as soon as you type in MS, you can see your MS Gothic popping up. Simply select this option MS Gothic, or you can simply type in MS Gothic as well here. Now once you select this, what you want to do is head into this insert option here, and on insert option what you want to do is on the way to the right here you'll find this symbol option. Simply click on it and here you'll get symbols here. What you want to do is simply click on more symbols option. Now here on browser itself the symbols are limited, but on your app you'll find the arrows option there, arrows symbols as well. Or what you can do is you'll get the search option, and what you want to do is select the symbol there, select the arrow symbol, or you can search it from your search bar there, you'll get it, and then simply click on insert and it'll be inserted here. So this way you can insert arrow in Word. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.